Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Pisces. And Pisces, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies today. Queen of Pentacles, Temperance in reverse, and Star in reverse. So Pisces, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a very kind and compassionate person, helping others, helping the people who are with you, maybe in your work, or maybe this person you love. You are a very compassionate soul, kind, and maybe in this relationship, in this love, you love this person, you respect them, and you love them honestly, and you are wishing for this relationship to work. But maybe this person you love, they may have different ideas, their vision may be different, their perception may be something else. So there may be for some of you some clash of ideas, something not working well, or maybe this person is quite arrogant, maybe because of their financial status or because of their position in life. They are not treating you in the right way for some of you, and they are trying to have their way no matter what, trying to impose their ideas and suggestions on you. So their arrogance is the reason for some troubles in this relationship, Pisces. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. Lovers. So maybe this person, though we have a negative energy with the previous cards, maybe this person is in true love with you. That may be the reason they are trying to suggest you certain things, maybe give you ideas on certain things, and they are deeply attracted to your beauty. And in this relationship, you will have mutual love, respect, and caring. And whatever obstacles or whatever negative things you may feel towards this person, all that is changing today. Everything is changing for the better, and you are going to feel really happy because it is true love they have with you, and you can trust this person and you can believe in this person. Their intentions towards you are good. That may be the reason they are giving you some ideas or suggestions, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work, maybe you need to be quite careful. There may be people competing with you, uh, trying to grab your opportunities. So you must be careful, Pisces, in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, Victory of Miriam. So with this card in your circumstances today, this is a very special card, guys. It comes with an amazing message. So every challenge or adventure you are facing in your life is here to just test you, and it is here to make you understand the truth what you are. So every bird needs space and an open sky to fly, and every tiger needs that hunger that is going to drive her to fulfill her being, live her nature. The same way, you need to realize your divine nature, your holy expression of that greatest love each and every one of us have. And life is providing us to make our needs be met. So that is the energy here with this card. And this card also brings you comfort and guidance in understanding that whatever we are going through, maybe circumstances may bring us happiness, certain circumstances may bring us struggle, a lot of sadness, but whatever is happening because of that divine energy each and every one of us have inside us. So we should not hesitate to trust it. We must embrace it fully, allow things to happen, let things to have its own way. And there is no need to resist any changes happening today. Live life with love and let our circumstances unfold with love. And you are going to succeed. That is also the energy here. All you need to do is just let that success unfold in your life and be part of this loving energy. And you may feel a part of you trying to avoid something painful. You no longer want yourself to go through all that failure and criticism, whatever happened. But you are becoming more optimistic each and every day. You are becoming stronger. You will have that realization deep down in your heart of hearts. And you will feel that sense of achievement. Let anything happen. And you will be stronger no matter what. That is your attitude today. When you have that balance in your heart, it just means that you are having that acceptance for your circumstances. That divine surrender is unfolding in your being. And when that happens, it just means that you are going to reach success in whatever you are thinking or planning. And it is all divine plan unfolding in your life. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, We have the Light Princess and Grounded. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to escape some kind of a negative situation. You are feeling really scared, or you are having a lot of inhibitions to face some emotions, and you just want to stay away from that circumstance and from that people who are creating that circumstance. But sometimes if you want to live authentically, you must take steps to connect with the people who are close to you. It is time for you to be really practical today. See the way you need to live your life, relate to the people who are close to you. That way you will be able to find that true soul connection. So maybe because of the hurt and pain, you just don't want anyone, you just want to stay aloof, you just want to stay alone, and you are considering yourself immune and invulnerable. But that is not that is not reality, guys. So you need to be really grounded, be really practical, and you should not go for escapism and having dreams, just fantasizing about your future without taking steps practically is not going to take you anywhere. So that is the energy here. So it is time for you to give up all your fears, inhibitions, and relate to people, talk to people whom you love, and relate to people with whom you want to have a true connection. When you do that, you will be able to find that true soul mate for you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow.